Good morning. I'm Ajit Kumar Dubey, Assistant Professor, Jamshedpur Cooperative College, Faculty of Education. Today, it's time to study the main topics, key concept, key elements, keywords of Unit First of Course 6, Gender, School and Society of Semester 4. In Unit First, a very important topic is masculinity versus feminine. Uh, Masculinity means it denotes the power of men. It can be said that it is a set of attributes. It is a set of attributes, behavior, and roles associated with boys and men. In the same, in comparison to feminine, feminine is a range of social political movements. It is a range of social political movements, and it's also called ideologies that aim to establish and achieve the political, economic, personal, and social equality of the sexes, means men and women. It also referred as women rights, such as right to vote, to hold public offices, to work, to earn fair wages, equal pay, etc. It can be also said that it is a belief that women must have the same right and opportunity as men. Another topic is gender bias. It is a preference. It is a preference or prejudice towards one gender over the other. In many countries, including India, initiatives are taken to decrease or eliminate the gender bias among between men and women, girls and boys. Uh, in in the same way, the next topic is gender parity. Gender parity. What is gender parity? Parity is a statistical measure. Gender parity is a statistical measure that provide a numerical value to female, numerical value of female to male or girls to boy ratio for indicators such as income or education. For example, if there are equal number of boys and girls who completed primary education in a specific country such as India, Kenya, Nigeria, etc., the gender parity ratio for that indicator is 1. It can also be said that it is a socio-economic index usually designed to measure the relative access to education of male and female. In examples, we can also include average income. Instead of education, we also include in average income, workforce participation, and etc. Another topic you need to learn is gender asymmetry. What is gender asymmetry? Gender asymmetry means absence of symmetry. Gender asymmetry means gender of absence of or violation of symmetry. Means there is a difference between girls and boys and men and women. It can be expressed in economic dependence of women over men. Woman has no right to divorce to his husband. Girls are not allowed to go to schools, and girls birth rate and death rate is also very alarming in our country, and various parts of world. So the government should try to decrease or eliminate this type of gender asymmetry. Now, from for today, it is the conclusion of this these topics. From next video, we will study another topic. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.